Today we're diving into the transformative wisdom of Dave Ramsey, a guru in the world of personal finance. One of Ramsey's key rules for success is all about being content, a concept that can revolutionize how we approach money in life. In this video, we'll explore why contentment is crucial for financial well-being and how adopting this mindset can lead to a more fulfilling and stable future. So if you're ready to discover the power of contentment in your financial journey, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Number 5. Live on less than you make. Dave Ramsey's rule about living on less than you make is a cornerstone of financial success. It's all about being intentional with your money and ensuring that you're not spending more than you earn. This rule is simple yet powerful because it lays the foundation for financial stability and freedom. Living below your means allows you to save money, avoid debt, and build wealth over time. It requires discipline and a willingness to make sacrifices in the short term for long-term financial security. By living below your means, you can reduce financial stress and have more control over your money. Ramsey's rule teaches us the importance of budgeting, prioritizing needs over wants, and being mindful of our spending habits. It's a mindset shift that can lead to lasting financial health and a more secure future. Number 4. Avoid debt. Dave Ramsey's rule about avoiding debt is a game changer when it comes to financial success. Debt can be a huge burden, dragging you down and making it difficult to achieve your financial goals. Ramsey's advice is simple yet powerful. Stay away from debt as much as possible. Instead of relying on loans and credit cards to fund your lifestyle, Ramsey suggests living within your means and saving up for purchases. This approach not only helps you avoid the stress of debt, but also puts you in control of your finances. By avoiding debt, you can build a solid financial foundation and set yourself up for long-term success. Ramsey's rule is all about financial freedom. When you're not weighed down by debt payments, you have more flexibility to pursue your goals and dreams. So next time you're tempted to take on debt, remember Ramsey's advice, avoid it like the plague, and your financial future will thank you. Number 3. Save and invest. It's all about securing your future by being smart with your money today. Saving means setting aside money for emergencies and big goals like buying a house or retiring comfortably. It's like building a safety net so you can weather any storm that comes your way. Investing, on the other hand, is about making your money work for you. Instead of letting it sit idle, you put it into things like stocks, bonds, or real estate with the goal of growing your wealth over time. It's a bit like planting seeds and watching them grow into trees that bear fruit for years to come. By saving and investing wisely, you're not just planning for tomorrow, you're building a foundation for a more secure and prosperous future. So whether you're just starting out or already on your way, remember Dave Ramsey's advice, save and invest for a brighter future. Number 2. Give generously. Dave Ramsey's rule about giving generously is a refreshing reminder that success is not just about accumulating wealth, but also about making a positive impact on others. Ramsey believes that generosity is a key component through wealth, bringing joy and fulfillment beyond material possessions. By giving to others, whether through donations, volunteering, or acts of kindness, we not only help those in need, but also enrich our own lives. Generosity fosters a sense of gratitude and abundance, shifting our focus from what we lack to what we can give. Ramsey's rule challenges us to look beyond ourselves and consider the needs of others. Whether we have little or not, there's always something we can give. And the beauty of generosity is that it often creates a ripple effect, inspiring others to give and spreading kindness throughout the world. So as you strive for success, remember to give generously and watch as your wealth grows in ways you never imagined. Number 1. Be content. In today's society, we're bombarded with messages telling us we need more money, more stuff, more success to be happy. But Ramsey flips that narrative on its head. He teaches us that true contentment comes from within, not from external possessions or achievements. Being content doesn't mean settling for less or not striving for improvement. It means appreciating what you have while working towards your goals. It's about finding joy in the journey rather than constantly chasing after the next big thing. This rule is particularly powerful in the context of personal finance. By learning to be content with what you have, you're less likely to overspend, accumulate debt, or make impulsive financial decisions. Instead, you'll make intentional choices that align with your values and long-term goals, leading to a more fulfilling and financially stable life. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Dave Ramsey's rule of contentment. Remember, true wealth isn't just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about finding peace and joy in the present moment. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights on achieving financial freedom. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing how you practice contentment in your financial life. Until next time, stay content, stay wise, and stay financially free.